We have to.
I'm tired, but I'm gonna do my hair, take a shower. I didn't take a shower last night.
Oh, it's coming out soon.
It's coming.
Morning. Because you told me maybe tomorrow morning I take a shower.
Okay, I can see it.
Oh, you guys are out.
I like my hair, right because my natural color is
I'm gonna try it again.
have lots of bright hair.
You have to get ready again.
Genetic.
Yes, Jane's, yeah. And your mother, what color hair does she have? I couldn't really tell. Same color as you?
No, she
She pink, okay.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. And what color is hers? What color does she do it? Oh, all right. Because I couldn't tell. I couldn't really tell. No, yours is what I would call the dark with honey color. Now, Veronica, do you color your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, because you have a lot of gray.
No, just white.
Well, white. Yeah, well, white. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
you know, eventually that, if you want to, you can handle that. But not today.
Not today.
You're like Laura. Laura doesn't, I mean, she's always colored. I have a sister who has always colored her hair because she started like you. She started to have gray hair very